Kumja Lisingani Amagi Jun Taranipan Tokiba, Ngamkai Kanbagi Kongjangda, Laikiraba Singi Mafamda, Haikat Leka Tambagi Toram Pangtokri. Kunmanga Shuba, the Great June Uprising Unity Day Gitoram Duda, MLA Ayamba Sarugyakide, Adum Oinamag, Maharaja Laisemba, Sanajauba, CM Kem Changilunabi, Joybala, BJP Vice President, Chidananda, MLA Ibomcha, MLA Sapam Nishikant, Na, Jingba Sarugyaki. Thoramadu Sarukyaba Lakiba, Sorokhabam Sanjoina Fongdorokibada, India Langana, Nasi Fauba, Lamdamasibu, Machetana proxy war Chatari, Amadi, Irang Pamba, Tangdu Letana Labor Pamdaba, Lamdamama Oina, Uhananaba, Kana Honari, Masida, India Langana, Chatarapa, Saruni, Habisi, Miam Namuna Kangi, Lamdamasibu, Paliba, Langang and Nintina Ngak Pangungani, Hyderabadi, Ngakpiu, Karigumba, Ngamluidabo, Ladabadi, Miam Oina Ngak Charagi Haiba, Wafam Tamki.
We can man give up the park, look, you don't look directly. Other than 1990, Matu the Giddy, Kauluk, Lanka, Old Sibu, Kampun Samba, I can't know about Masit, when over, I know when that day, the sea power. Women Papu Satar and honorary. Madam Aduna Nasi, Zingi will say, Aduki, Manipur, a same Masit, that the Dram Kaluka, wherever you are, having Doctor, Nasi, as it on Masit, Kalu, Madam Aduna. 2023 third May dagi ngasi phawbada government India umai yelaka proxy war sakar libase kadinga chokoi miyam de yaroi chu abadin nan chu leiba uki militant singbu or police support torga kunai asibu mutat karena magi khuding magta ekoi kangkhong saili doji phawba ngasi phawba tingri bharat sarkar se lektabra manipur sarkar lektabra adu gradi sarkar amal lekadi sarkar amal lebaki mathau ado bakhogi takum topani Sarkar amal ledega ngasi kunai asibu bangkhong sali ekoi niyambu asuki mati haifong tokong kangandana ekoi bu shanti pamdawa lan pamba irang pamba adu maba wonle isri niyam guna muna bise ngasi government India na chatra pa bakhogi sarong liya bise ekoi biyan muna kangi kalamenda international aduga international news ke ada worldwide erkaba asibu issue asibu ngasi phawda loisan ge habri miku obda sakeno chame government India ki matakta amadi government India amadi Manipur Chief Secretary Power Commitment Camp Home Minister Commitment Camp issue was a power Mugam Manipur Hazel Ladim Sipai, Kayam Hazel Lagolos Hazel Ladim Sipai in Zikalai, Kai Batautori, Hanar Lady Sipai Matata, Amu Ano Hazel Ladim Never. One to Yoga in the Gomegi, policy Singasina, Kunai Asida, Satara River, I call you Arod from the Aponga, Gino Saddles of the say, was in Manipur Miamna Yadi. Aduna Maram Moira proxy, stop proxy war, stop state terrorism, go back, Central Force, Aduna Punamak Singasina, I could Paragraph, no point, I could even though Idaba say, Kangkong Sahalaka Mutate Haragadi, I couldn't be young, I could even though Idaba say, Sahi Lissing Kayaka, Manin Tamaram say, the good Haras Sakara Sama Bonate, Sarapandate, Away Isai, Monobu Jamani, British Kimati Maha Polore, Aduna Tambu, the Lincoln, 1914 I the person the koi moila leba
akhoi Manipur already such a beautiful place ado akhoi sigi integrity ngakna anything akhoi taubada ngambada tungda akhoi Manipur integrity sokna action and words so ado akhoi carefully action lo batabni ado mai haido and sigi mitse I am see 18 June se I come here every day because significance integrity day hailina chap chai Manipur ki akhoi integrity ngakoi jam it's a symbolic day I can I have I na hanji akhoi leiba akhoi community me amdo 34 36 adu me amda they are all Manipuris aduna akhoi na haiba akhoi punjil lakanta akhoi ki pen daba akhoi ST hagera MNR act hagera law and everything can be dealt with properly through the government adu to ya ba jam na hai ba Manipur can be announced as hill state matum na chingdu kesu ka jare ai our territory and our people. I mean the existence of our people. We should rise above everything and stand united. Despite all differences,
person is able to do it is the person who loves his people. We should be one of such persons so that we can be united when our state faces problems, difficulties. We will be able to stay united.